Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel originalitymaze.tv. So guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can make your free website but without domain. So open Google and search for originalitymaze.tv and wait for the results. Now scroll down and click on this one. Yeah, this one. Click here. So wait until the website is opening. So this is my website and I have built it free, so you can check the preview here. And this is an amazing website which I have built using Site23. So now click here on this button which is below and wait for the loading. So choose your category now here. After choosing, you have to write your name for your business or your website. This is an example. Now login. Use to create your account, sign up here. Write your name, email and create a password. So wait here for the loading. So the loading have been done and here is the main page where you can edit your website, create it, design it. There is a home page, all the pages, settings, and you can preview it, publish it here, and also you can buy a domain and you can also upgrade to premium. So this was all tutorial. So click on the like button if you like this video. Also subscribe my YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos and also tutorials. Bye bye.